Hey, what's up everyone? The watch list video here for Wednesday, October 26th. The SPY, another strong day, pretty impressive rally. Day trading wise, not a whole bunch of stuff setting up. If I switch 5-minute candles, you see what a slow grind it was higher all day. But it hat tip too. Nick C made really a couple nice calls today. But the big highlight was Netflix. Go to 5-minute candles here. Probably looked about like this when he called it, his idea. Over 288.50, and he said catalysts above from yesterday and the day before, right? So you have yesterday's high and the day before that stacked above. When it breaks 288.50, look at that. Look at that. I mean, straight to almost 298. Really, really nice call by Nick. He also mentioned coin over 74 kind of later in the day, which was kind of, he had that cup and handle right here. Didn't do that much, and then a pullback and then another rally. But that Netflix call was really nice. Again, I made most of my money playing pullback plays. Let me make a couple comments before I go into the watch this video for tomorrow. Google, there's the daily reported after hours. So you can see it closed at 104.48. As I'm talking, it's at 96.85. So there's a big name that's gapping down. Texas Instruments, there's the daily closed at 162.16. As I'm talking, it's at about 153. So there's another gap down. Microsoft, there's the daily closed at 250.66. And right now 244.55. So there's some big names. All gapping down. And even Spotify, there's the daily. And right now is at 92.40 an after hours. So we'll see what that does to the market tomorrow. There's just some off the top of my head that reported in after hours. All right, so what are we watching tomorrow? TSHA, big volume, strong close, super interesting for a long tomorrow, right? Except in after hours, they did an offering, so it's at 265, which I might argue is holding up better than you would think after an offering. So I'm definitely going to keep watching it tomorrow. MVST, strong, and then they had that one red day. I put it on watch again, and it's holding up really well. That one goes on long watch. Remember, in case somebody new is watching this, most of you are members in our chat room, but in case somebody stumbles across this, I'm a day trader, right? I'm looking for things that might give me a trade tomorrow. These are not investment advice, and I'm in cash every night. I'm in cash right now. So MGNX holding up really well also. Definitely worth watching for potential long. Tilray, TLRY, pot stock, had the big pop, round tripped, and then bounced a little bit and sideways for a couple weeks, and now starting to break to the upside. I'm going to put it on long watch. Man, that was hard to type that one. ARI, big volume and a fairly strong close. We'll see if it gets a follow-through setup tomorrow. ROST is Ross Stores. Nice little mini breakout over the last month's worth of trading. A little bit better than normal volume. That one goes on long watch. MNTV had the gap up here sideways and then right back up near recent highs. That one goes on long watch. Penny stock, NUTX. Let me get that big spike out of there so you can kind of see it better. So you had this big volume pop back here. This was literally 43 million plus shares. Topped out at $1.14 and then hit $1.14 again and then kind of bled sideways. But now a little volume coming in again. So it's kind of interesting. Today topped out at 87, maybe over 87. Maybe we go up and test that $1.14 area. We'll see. Goes on watch. RUM, which is Rumble. I've had this on bounce watch for a few days. And it gave a nice pop today. I did not get involved in this one today, but I definitely want to watch it tomorrow, see if it gives a follow-through on that bounce. It's pretty beaten up. SOPA, big pop yesterday. Quiet inside day today, looking for a third day play. I feel a little silly having this one watch. SLS, because it's already had a big move really over the past week and a half. So I'd like to see it come in for a day or two, but I am going to put it on a chart. CLSK, I believe, Bitcoin stock, and Bitcoin was pretty strong today. And you got nice support below around $3, so we'll see if it gives a continuation play tomorrow. And then lastly, RBLX's Roblox, nice little mini breakout today. We'll see if it gives a setup on the long side tomorrow. We'll add gappers to this list as well, and hopefully catch some nice trades tomorrow. I'm done babbling. We'll see everybody in the chat room tomorrow.